Hey everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to change font in Windows 11. So first you need to go to your search and type font settings. Now open it. After that you will see several fonts in your screen. So if you have tried it before, then you will notice that after you select the font you want, it cannot be changed. So you cannot set your font settings. For that, you will be needing a code. So let's say I want a font Arial rounded empty. So I want this font. Now, what you're gonna do is just keep this tab open. Open a new tab in your notepad. Go to search and type notepad and this will show up. Now, I will leave this code in the description below. Do check it out. Now, what you're gonna do is copy this code from the description below and paste it in your notepad. Here at the bottom, you will see new font. You're just gonna replace this with the font you selected earlier, which is Arial rounded empty. I'm just gonna go and write Arial rounded empty. So just like that, you have now completed a code. What you're gonna do is save as, and here you will name your file on a registry. So in the file name, type the name of your file .reg. So it doesn't matter if it's in text document or any other, just keep in any file type as you want. And I recommend you saving your document in the desktop first and click on save. So as you can see, my new font has been saved in my desktop here. You can go there, click on yes. It will ask your permission. Just go ahead and click on yes. And you just need to restart your computer for this to work. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll meet you guys in the next video.